How to remove Facebook from Instagram in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is one more thing I want to say with you that it works in both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. So the very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then go to the settings, and here you can see the account settings, and you have to click on the sharing to other apps, and here you can see the my Facebook account is shared with the Instagram. So click on the Facebook accounts. Here is you can not see the any remove option, so you have to click on the Facebook here, and then you come to this page, and in the bottom of this page you can see the account center in the blue colored. So click on the account center, and here you can see the profile picture that you have added. So click on the this profile picture Haram Singh, here you can see, click on them, and remove this account. So click on the Facebook account, here you can see the, and what you have to do is click on the remove from account center. Click on the remove from account center, then this page will open. So what you have to do is click continue, and you can also read this. So click and if you want to remove the Haram Singh, and this video is about this, so click on the remove Haram Singh, and here you can see the account is removed, and so and here you can see the account is removed from the Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment that this video is helpful to you. Have a good day.